Introduction. It is Diwali time. Vani is lighting candles in front of her house. She has 30 candles. She wants to arrange them in 5 rows. She wants to know the number of candles she must arrange in 1 row. She performs a quick calculation and decides to arrange 6 candles in every row. In this lesson, you will learn multiplication and division. Multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. For example, to find the total number of legs of 5 chairs, we'll add 4 5 times because each chair has 4 legs. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 20. In other words, 5 times 4 is 20. We can write it as 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Cross is the sign for multiplication. The first number, 5, is called the multiplier. The second number, 4, is called the multiplicand. The result of multiplication is called product. Properties of multiplication. Now let us learn some properties of multiplication. Look at these dots. There are 3 rows of them. In each row, there are 5 dots. How do we find out the total number of dots? We add 5 3 times. In other words, we calculate 3 times 5. We can write it as 3 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 15. Let us look at different arrangements of the 15 dots. The dots can be arranged in a single row of 15 dots. 1 multiplied by 15 is equal to 15. The dots can be arranged in 15 rows of 1 dot each. 15 multiplied by 1 is equal to 15. The dots can be arranged in 5 rows of 3 dots each. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. 1 multiplied by 15 is equal to 15. 15 multiplied by 1 is equal to 15. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. These are called multiplication facts. Multiplication table of 2. Multiplication becomes easy once we memorize the multiplication facts. Multiplication facts are contained in multiplication tables. Let us start with the multiplication table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Multiplication tables of 3 to 10. Let us now learn the multiplication tables of the numbers 3 to 10. Let us start with the table of 3. Now the table of 4. Table of 5. Tables of 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Multiplication of single-digit number. One fruit bowl contains 6 apples. How many apples will 13 such bowls contain? We must multiply 13 and 6 to find the answer. Write 13 as 10 plus 3. Multiply 10 and 6. Then multiply 3 and 6. Sum the results up. 10 multiplied by 6 is equal to 60. 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. 60 plus 18 is equal to 78. 13 bowls will contain 78 fruits. Example: multiply 75 by 6. Place the numbers one below another. Multiply 5 by 6. 5 sixes are 30. Place 0 below 6 and 3 above 7. Multiply 7 by 6. 7 sixes are 42. Add 42 and 3. Write 45 below 7. The answer is 450. Example: 18 girls have to be seated in a bus. 2 girls can sit in a single seat. How many seats must be there in the bus? Divide the girls into groups of 2. There are 9 groups. So, there must be 9 seats in the bus. We can write the above problem as 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplicand is the number multiplied. Multiplier is the multiplying number. Product is the result of multiplication. Division is repeated subtraction. Dividend is the number divided. Divisor is the dividing number. Quotient is the result of division.